Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Mic check. Mic check. Testing 1 2 3. Hey everybody, good afternoon everybody. SUNW moving up here folks. SUNW checking, mic check. Testing 1 2 3. Good afternoon everybody. It's Friday. Anybody out there? Let's see. Testing. Hey Gary, how are you? Hi Gary. Oh, cool. All right, got it working. All right, everybody, just showing a little screen share from the room. See if just doing a little test here. We got you can see the news. Got trade exchange news up here. We got my trade ideas, scanners going. This is what the members in the room see. We start the room at 6:15 in the morning. Each morning, 6:15 a.m. That's a.m. Eastern time. The screen shares are up. The news is up. We also have audio news in the room each morning. The room shuts down every day except Friday at 8 p.m. Friday, we shut it down at 7 p.m. So a little bit earlier on Fridays. So not a bad day. We had a couple of nice trades. One in dries. We got a nice trade in this one on dries for about a dime to 12 cents. You know, hasn't been a big Friday. And then we had a trade in Bont, B-O-N-T. All right, Bont. And folks got a nice, you know, pop in Bont today. One of the swing trades where we were in presently is OLLI. Show you the daily chart of that. So it's trying to break out here on OLLI. So we're swing trading this. And so far it's holding up. And the daily doesn't look too bad. It'd be nice if we can get up over this, you know, 46.65, 46.75, and then maybe we get a chance to break this 47 spot on OLLI. Any tickers you guys are looking at, you could pop them into the chat room. All right, let me see if you guys are looking at any stuff. And let me go back to my 5-minute here. Let's see, AXTA was popping earlier. Here was the big run up in AXTA. All right, and so this one popped nicely. And let's see what the news was on it. AXTA. Oh, possible merger on AXTA, but it was one of those unconfirmed mergers. So, but that's the reason it popped. AXTA. Yeah, GCAP. That one is connected with possibly with Bitcoin, and a nice pop in that one today. So definitely going to have this one on watch for tomorrow. GCAP. We'll have this one on watch for tomorrow. You know, nice daily pop here. Volume 2.5 million shares. You know, you see the next resistance on the daily chart is around that 750 area on this name. All right, so you can see that 750 area. That's like a natural resistance spot for the name, but a nice pop there on GCAP today. So that'll be on a lot of traders' radar going into next week. So that's a good one to keep on watch. Let's see, what else am I have? What else will I have on watch tomorrow? Like I said, I'll have that AXTA. That'll be on watch next week. This is the daily again. We'll go back to the 5-minute. So big pop in this AXTA. So we'll have this on watch for next week. RIGL. Pulling back a little bit from this $4 area. Here's RIGL, but trying to get back over $4 on RIGL. So we'll see, you know, if next week this can break $4. And let's see, I saw IZEA trying to break out, you know, got some volume today, nice push up. So we'll see if this has any other action in it, possibly for next week. Here's the daily of it. You had this big run up here, up to about $8. It's pulled back, you know, quite a few days in a row. So maybe they want to start turning the corner on this IZEA. So we'll see. And what other stocks am I looking at? NEOT, you know, still holding above. This is a daily chart once again, in case you just joined the chat room. Excuse me. Still holding above the 5, holding above the 10. You know, trying to break out over this 140, 150 spot on NEOT. So you know, not a bad daily setting up there. Mankind had that big run, but currently, you know, just kind of fading off here on Mankind, but still holding above this $3 level, $3.25 level here on Mankind. So that'll be on watch next week to see if it wants to turn around. Bont, here's a daily that a lot of traders are watching. So far, can't get above and hold above this 110 spot. So you just take quick trades in it. That's what we did today. We took a quick trade in it. Here's the 5-minute on BONT, and you know, currently just kind of consolidating right now. Whole market is being quiet right now. SPY, we'll take a look at the SPY chart for you. And let's see, we have the daily chart of the SPY. Let me get rid of some of those intraday lines for you. And you know, SPY trying to push up and out over this recent highs back here of 257.51. So far we're you know, trying to get back over that, or getting back over it a little bit. And the Q's very strong today with Amazon, Google, Netflix, and Facebook moving up. So all those names moving up today. Apple, we have Amazon after their earnings moving up, Google popping today, and then Facebook joined the group, and nice pop in Facebook. Nvidia holding up today, and then AMD getting killed today. Broke that $12 area on AMD, and you know, fell like a rock right down through that 12 area on AMD. Grub has been very strong today, and Grub, nice continuation from their earnings. Grub, so far Groupon not doing too much. Groupon not playing along on that name. And let's see if you guys have any names that you're looking at. So we're a swing trade and day trading service. We do swing trades and day trades. We have a private feed for swing trades, and we also have an Omnovia room that we use for our day trading. So we do both. We do everything. We don't do options though. Not an options trader. You see Sun started out with this one, had that big pop. So maybe this one wants to start joining the solar party. Here's the daily. So traders will kind of notice this expanding volume down here, all right, on Sun. All right, they'll start to notice this expanding volume and trying to get back over that 150 spot and the 50 SMA. I'll open my chart up for you a little bit. So this will get noticed, you know, next week, and see if it has a continuation move. RGSE, you know, that one's just kind of, I was surprised this one didn't make a move today with First Solar moving up, but it is holding above the 10 SMA still on the name. Get rid of some of these lines. All right, still hanging around this 10 SMA on the daily chart on RGSE. So I'll keep this one on watch definitely for next week.
Okay.
Just writing it down so I don't forget. So are you guys day traders, swing traders? What kind of traders are you? I do both. I do swing trading and day trading. And XP. Let's see. This INPX is heating up a little bit. All right, here's the daily of it. Let me scroll this in tighter. A lot of eyes on this one, but you can see it's kind of in this consolidation wedge here. All right, and then we'll put our other line in. All right, so you can see it's starting to break out of this consolidation, trying to get up over that 50-cent spot. Holding above the 50 SMA, all right, on INPX. So if you guys play those under $1 names, you might want to keep an eye on this one for you know, next week. All right, INPX. And then here's the intraday chart on it right now, and you see we're trying to get up over that 50-cent level on INPX. All right, and here's our OLLI. All right, OLLI trying to break out over that resistance area. All right, we're in this one for a swing from earlier today, and currently trading 46.70. Now we need to get up over 46.75 on OLLI, and we'll see if this one wants to push up higher on that name. And let's see, SPWR, that one is moving up a little bit today too. And let's check the daily on SPWR. This one might be turning back up. All right, it's been got clobbered back here. It's been in a downtrend. 3.4 million shares traded. So I'll have this SPWR on watch next week for sure. SPWR. And basically what I'm doing today is just testing out this live YouTube stream. So I'm going to start doing more of this starting I think next week. I'll probably be doing it in the evening hour. You know, normally I do a stocks to watch video each night, but I'm thinking of doing a live video each night of stocks to watch for the next day. So I think that might be something interesting to do. And I might do that each night starting next week. The room in November is going to start having free Tuesdays, so you guys can come and check out the room on Tuesdays free. That'll be starting in probably the second week of November, probably. So we'll be having free chat Tuesdays, so you guys traders can see the room, get an idea of the professionalism in the room, and you know, how it all works. Now you won't get access to the private feed, but you'll get access to the Novia chat room on free chat Tuesdays. All right, and that'll be like second week of November. We're thinking of starting that and doing it, you know, on a limited basis, maybe like once a month or something like that. And just to spread the word, you know, because there's so many rooms out there, I know, but I just feel we're a better room. We're very upfront. Our trades are all alerted before the trigger. They're all posted before the trigger, and I don't think a lot of rooms, do that. All right, I think a lot of rooms, they play shenanigans and things like that. So, but we're on the up and up. All our triggers and trades are prior to, happening. We don't front run anything, and so if anybody has any questions, pop them in the chat room. Any stocks you want me to take a look at? Personally, I like stocks above $1. But we do call stocks under, around that 50-cent mark sometimes, because I have traders that do like those stocks. So if I see something, one of them moving, I will, bring it to their attention. All right, guys, and I'm probably going to get off of YouTube Live now because I have to get back to my room. But, like I said, I'm going to start doing these probably each night. Takes a little time for it to catch on, but I'll probably be doing this each night starting next week. And we'll go from there. And then as it builds up, we'll try to figure out a time that's best for everybody. And we'll do like a live stocks to watch video each night for the next day. All right, I think that could be helpful to everybody, and you can kind of see my style, etc. And that's way I can, help the community on YouTube. All right. So everybody have a very good weekend. All right, it is Friday coming up. Weekend is coming up. And we'll be doing live next week each night. All right, so we'll be doing live next week each night. And so you guys, if you hit the subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button so when I go live next week, you can see, you'll get a notification that I am going live. And this way you can, come check it out and see what stocks are in play that I think are in play for the next day. All right, everybody have a great rest of the afternoon. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't overtrade. It is Friday. And we had a big move in the SPY. See, Netflix is rolling over a little bit. Let's see, Amazon still holding the gains for the day. Microsoft rolled over a little bit. Intel still very strong. Nvidia still up, is finally up above 200 again, trading 201 on Nvidia. And oil is strong today, USO, gold not so much, and IBB is up off the lows, the IBB. All right, see you guys starting next week, and I might be testing out doing a live video again over the weekend. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it Saturday or Sunday, maybe Saturday, we'll see, or maybe Sunday, but I think definitely next week I'll be going live each night starting next week. All right, enjoy the rest of the day, folks.